Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer Miller, also known as Amethyst Winters. I'm a mother co-parenting, I'm an author, and I am a makeup lover. Forgive my background, it is messy back here. My kids, holy moly, we try, but some days we miss. So it's a little messy back here, apologies. I just wanted to get on camera and open this. This is from my good friend, Tina Delgado. She is in the Faithful Fab 10 with us, and this is a birthday gift. I got it a long time ago, after my birthday, but I got it a long time ago, and it just, I haven't filmed, and now if you know, you can just look back and you'll see what I'm talking about. But I had to get this opened. I finally am here on camera to open it for you. I am going to show you. I will admit that I've already opened it, so I know a little bit of what's inside. Thank you, Tina. Oh, she's such a sweetheart. Her birthday came and went, and I felt so bad because I had something for Chanel, whose birthday was first, and I had something for her, for Tina, and everybody, and I just, life, we all learn, and I lived and I learned, and I will not make that same mistake twice. Sorry, I get distracted easily. So I am going to show you what I got. Yay! I have heard of this brand and I have never used them, so I am so excited to finally get a chance to use them. This is from Grand Cosmetics, and it is Grand Drama Intense Thickening Mascara with Castor Oil. I got a new mascara. I love mascara. Can you tell? I have some false lashes and I need to start wearing them, but I keep forgetting I have them. And when I do a look, I forget to put them on. Oh, this is, I think this is a look for Sunday, and I believe you will see it before this video goes up. Maybe not. Maybe not. Don't quote me on that. Maybe not. But you will see this on my Instagram on Sunday. Yes, so happy to have one. I love mascara. I love makeup. I love any and all makeup. Ooh, Cetaphil is one of my favorite moisturizers. This is Cetaphil Moisturizing Cream. Intense moisture for 24-hour hydration. I cannot wait to try this. I say that, but I've never used them. They have been on my radar for probably 7-8 years. I've always wanted to try Cetaphil. Never had a chance. Now is my chance. I did show you. And then I have, I got two. Okay. I'm trying to pull this out carefully without breaking anything. Ooh. I have two samples of Palmer's Shea Formula Raw Shea Body Lotion. Oh, I love Palmer's. I love anything Palmer's makes. Sorry, there's two. Oh, they are so awesome. And I love shea butter. I love shea butter. I am so super thrilled to have that. Yay, I cannot wait. And there are two palettes here. My goodness, girl. What did you do? Ooh, Zoeva. Yay. The only thing I have by Zoeva is their eyeliner. I did a review on it, and I love Zoeva. My daughter talks about Zoeva all the time. She loves Zoeva. Ooh, cool. Ooh, those are gorgeous. It's two blushes and a highlighter. Those are so pretty. Ooh. Ooh, very pigmented. I love that. That is so pretty. That highlighter is going to be so pretty. I do not have, like I said, I only had that one thing from Zoe. Ooh, look at that. Catch the light. Ooh, so pretty. Ooh, I cannot wait to try it. I'm trying to read across the top. Please leave your message after the tone. How cool. Oh, it's called offline. I like that. Ooh. And since I already knew about this, I am so excited. Yes. Ooh, look at that. Subculture by Anastasia. The cool thing is they stopped selling this. And I have wanted this so much. I am so excited to get this. Yes. I only have, okay, I have one of her small palettes, but I have 3 of her larger palettes. The pigmented palettes, the Norvina palettes. But this one I am so excited to get. Those colors are me. These are me in a palette. Those are my colors. That is so cool. Yes. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, since this is the last one, I'm going to swatch a few for you. Ooh, ooh. All right, this one, I'm sorry about my hair. I pulled it down because I didn't want it up during this. Ooh, that one there. Ooh, that one there. And let's do one of the shimmers. This really pinky shimmer. So I'm going to do it on this arm. Ooh, look at that. You can't barely see it, but you can see it. It catches it. Ooh. One thing I have never regret about ABH is her formula. Now, granted, they're very pigmented, but they're not very, they're dusty. But I don't care. I don't care. So pretty. So pretty. Oh, I got the ABH. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm gonna stop. But I do love, and yep, you'll see it soon. So I just wanted to pop on here and get this opened. And now I did, and now I can play with it. I can play with it. Sorry, I am okay. So, I'm gonna put that up. I am going to say thank you so much, Tina. You are awesome. You are wonderful. Thank you. And I hope that you guys will go check her out. I will try to remember to link her. Yeah, we know how that goes. I will try to remember to link her. But please, if you already know her, go check her out. Or if you don't know her, go check her out. And if you already subscribed to her, go send her some more love because she is worth it. She is a good, awesome person. So go check her out. And thank you so much for watching. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.